Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use your Ref app in YouTube live streams. So let's get started. So to use your Ref Party app in your YouTube live streams, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you will just open your Rev app. So basically, Rev app is for the parties. Okay. Then to use in your your in YouTube live stream, you should must have a speaker, another speaker. If you are doing a party in your YouTube live, you have to use another speaker. Then you can connect your Rev app to that, and you can do the streaming. And from there, you can display the favorable party music. So by this way, you can just do it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.